Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. Today is Monday, so for lunch we are going to make also known as Mpoto-Mpoto, using cocoyam. Yeah, I have cocoyam here that I'm going to use. So if you want to know how we do our cocoyam, please stay tuned. So okay, so here we have our cocoyam. Yeah, peel off, cleaned, chopped in dice. Here, soak in the water. And we have onion, diced onion, chopped onion, sorry. And we have oil, palm oil. We have dry herrings that we soak in hot water. We have smoked mackerel here. We have one medium-sized onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet, and we have prawn powder, salt that we're going to use for our Mpoto-Mpoto. So please. So first of all, I have my pan here, pot, and I've added hot water into it. I'm going to add my cocoyam, chopped, dice in there. I'm going to cook this with the pepper, onion, and all that, and then we take it from there. The salt, 1 tablespoon of salt in there, and also adding Scotch bonnet in here, and the onion into it also. So I'm going to leave this to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes, sorry, 10 minutes. Yeah. So at this point, our cocoyam is almost done. So I'm going to take the onion and the pepper out. I have added 1 small size tomatoes, and I put a bit of garlic as well. Okay, I'm going to blend them together. I'm going to add my herrings in here, also my mackerel, also in there, shrimp powder, and here. Okay, gonna mix them together. I'm going to leave them to cook together. So while cocoyam is cooking, I'm going to add, do a little bit of stew here. I'm going to add the oil. This is Zomi oil that I'm using. Okay. Going to leave it to warm up a bit. So I'm adding the onion into the oil now. Yeah. And I'm going to use momone as well. Momone, fermented fish. Yeah, if you don't have one of those, you can use Kobe. It's optional. Yeah. So now I'm adding the blended tomatoes and the Scotch bonnet and the onion and the garlic in here and cook them together. So I'm gonna cook this for 5 minutes. Yeah, and I will add this into my Mpoto-Mpoto. So this is how our cocoyam almost cooked. You see, some are melted and some are, we have some chunk in there. I'm going to mash it a bit as well, so I want more pottage than the chunk. This is my potato mash to go in and mash a bit, not too much, just squeeze it a bit like that, mash it. Yeah, okay, so that's why we call it porridge. So you have to be a bit mash, and that's it. And you will still have chunk in there. Yeah, okay, done. So now I'm going to add my stew that I did earlier into it. So this is the stew. Added the tomatoes, onion, Scotch bonnet, garlic, and momone, the fermented fish. So I'm going to add this into my Mpoto-Mpoto. Like that. I'm going to reduce the heat as well and leave it to cook slowly. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. And it smells so nice as well. And you have to taste it for the salt, if it's enough for you. If it's not, just that's okay. Just add a bit, and the pepper is all right as well. That's fine. I'm going to leave it for about another 5 minutes and it'll be ready. Oh, look at this. Mpoto-Mpoto is done. Look at that. So rich. Oh wow, can't wait. Can't wait to taste it. Look at that. Mpoto-Mpoto is ready. So I'm going to serve our Mpoto-Mpoto here. Oh, look at this. You have all the chunk that you want. And all the fish, the momone, mackerel, herrings, everything in here. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. It's nice. Yeah. So voila, this is our Mpoto-Mpoto done. Easy, simple and easy. Anybody can do it. So thank you for coming today. Please do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and also comment. Thank you. Bye bye.